how can one become an effective critical reader? So there are certain ways in which that we can try to become better critical readers. One of those is we need to be people who have sufficient contextual reading. So an area that we are interested in to become critical readers, we need to have contextual reading. And for example, if someone is from the field of education, they need to do a lot of reading in the field of education from the perspectives of different educationists and educational researchers and academics. We also need to develop academic vocabulary. Again, we need to do a lot of reading in order to develop academic vocabulary. Besides this, we need to develop critical attitudes where we ask questions related to the text that we are reading, and we are not just reading for understanding or for information, but we are reading and questioning the arguments and counter arguments in the text. Also, we can become better critical readers when we read multiple perspectives on a topic, and we do not confine ourselves to like one perspective or one author on a topic. We also need to be open-minded, and we need to have academic humility where we do not make big claims on the basis of the limited knowledge that we have in particular areas. So academic readers are open to accept other ideas and counter arguments. They also need to develop a rational and scientific outlook in general. We also need to take detailed notes on a practical level. We need to take detailed notes while we are reading, and we need to reflect on what we take as notes, and we need to ask questions. We need to indulge in academic discussion with others based on our reading, for example, discussing with peers or with professors. And lastly, we need to practice critical summaries and reflections. So we should not just be passive readers, but we should be active readers where we note things, we think about those, we ask questions related to those, we discuss, we make critical summaries, and we involve in the process of reflection, critical reflection on our reading.